Dad. Dad.
We welcome our people of Samoa.
Yeah.
Today we celebrate the Samoan festival where all the high school come together
Wait.
as well as
Oh.
parents. And the Samoans are here.
Hey.
Today we are putting the food out the ground. And that food is so important. In Samoa, food is measured the success of any event. When you come to a Samoan home, the question, are you hungry, is never a question. If you ask a Samoan in your home if they're hungry, the answer will always be, no. You shouldn't ask. You should make the food. Oh yeah. Now, no matter where we go, what we do, what goes on with the economy and the weather, we're going to have that food. And you work hard to get the money to buy food. In Samoa, we go straight to the food. We completely cut the middleman. There's nothing between us and the food. There's no snow, for example. You have to hurry up, plant, harvest before the snow comes again. Our land is available all year round. We've got the vast ocean. We've got the pigs, the chickens are everywhere. They roam the land freely. You drive down the road, there's chickens crossing the road. I don't know why they cross the road. Now, just for information, you go to Samoa, you learn to drive on the left side of the road because last year it changed from the right side to the left side. So all the animals are confused. People name their animals, so when it's time to eat a pig, chicken, you call them by name and say, stop the go. And they totally understand. Cooking is different everywhere, you know. Japan, the women cook. In China, they take turns. In America, it doesn't matter. Whoever orders the food. You know how it goes. You can eat it there, or you can just pick it up, or have it delivered to you. Order is wrong, taking too long, you can complain and get it. And never eat there again. Samoa, men cook, and we fish, we hunt, we plant, we harvest, we cook, we serve the food. And the list goes on. You like that, ladies? I can't hear you. Oh, come on. You like the idea? Move to Samoa. Ask you that one. There is not one man left here. I was the last one. Now, what do the women do? They come from big families, many children in one family. That was just one family that just this room. You know? The more you have, the more work gets done. I'm talking about security. You want to fight me, you deal with the other 16.
Dad!
That's immediate. We live in extended families and talk about some big trouble.
Tina.
Women with the mats, the blinds of the houses, the tray, the fan, the bowl, the basket, you name it, is needed. Before this, polyester cotton